Hi sweets, for today's tutorial I went for a purple kind of a look. I started looking in my palettes and I found this really great one that I have been owning for a really long time from BH Cosmetic. So I use the palette to do the entire eye look. And as well, I'm gonna try a new brand from, it is eyelashes. The name is Azaredo or Azareso or Azaredo, I think it is the name of it. And I really enjoy how light the eyelashes feel. So let's right jump to the tutorial. Wait no more to see how it goes. So I'm gonna start by prepping my face. I'm gonna use two primers. First I'm gonna use the Cover FX Blurring Primer, and then I'm gonna go with the Amazing Cosmetics Illuminating Primer in color Rose, because I wanna have like a really golden illuminating skin with my foundation. So that's why I chose the Amazing Cosmetics. As I said, I'm gonna start with my Cover FX Blurring Primer. So I just took a little bit in my finger, and I'm gonna press it in my skin to get that blurring effect in my pores. It feels like I have like a really silky base. Now I'm going for my Amazing Cosmetics one. Doing the same, I'm grabbing a little bit in my finger, and then I'm gonna press it in my skin. This one is like a more like lotion kind of texture, so you can just rub it on your entire face. For foundation, I'm going to use my Physician Formula, the Healthy Foundation Brightening Complex. This is in the color MC1. This foundation has a duffel applicator, so I'm going to just dot it in my skin. And I'm going to blend it in my skin with my Equal Tools Wonder Cover Complexion. I'm gonna go with my Colourpop No Filter Concealer, and I'm gonna apply it in the places that I want to be brightened, which is my under eye, the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, my smile lines, my chin a little bit, and in my forehead. And I'm gonna blend it with my Sephora Pro 57 brush. I usually do this in big circular motions, so it helped me blend my concealer with my foundation. I'm applying it as well in my lid. Now I'm going through my smile lines, my cupid's bow, my chin, the bridge of my nose, and my forehead. Now to set my under eye, I'm gonna go with my Milani Translucent Light to Medium powder. I'm gonna take a little bit of the powder and put it in the lid. I'm gonna make sure that I don't have any creases in my under eye before setting it. And with my Powder Puff from Linda Halber, I'm gonna set my under eye and set everywhere where I have applied concealer. The bridge of my nose, my forehead, my cupid's bow, my chin, and my smile lines. And now for the rest of my face, I'm going with my Milani Conceal Plus Perfect Natural Light number 3. And I'm gonna apply it with my always trusty MAC 150 brush. For bronzer, I'm gonna use one of my favorite ones. This is the one from Milani, Bronzer XL. This is in Fake Tan 02, and I'm gonna apply it with my RLM Moda Pro 130 brush, and I'm just gonna bronze my face a little bit because I want to be a little more pale than usual for the eye look that I'm going for. I apply in the hollows of my cheeks, a little bit in my forehead, and my nose, on the bottom of it. My chin. For blush, I'm gonna use another Milani product. This is the powder blush in color Romantic Rose, something like this. And I'm gonna apply it with my Crown blush brush. Since I'm still going for like a subtle kind of natural look in my complexion, I'm just gonna apply a little bit in my cheeks. I'm gonna do my eyebrows, and I'm going to keep the natural wave in them. So I'm gonna use my Chika Eyebrow Retractable pen. First I'm gonna brush them and then I'm gonna fill them in a little bit. Now I'm gonna start fill them in. Now I'm gonna buff the product that I apply in my eyebrows with the spoolie part of this pen. To finish my eyebrows, I'm gonna go for the NYX Tinted Brown Mascara in color Expresso to place them exactly where I want them to be. Now since I'm gonna start my eye look, I'm gonna remove the crease that I have already developed in my eyelid because I haven't set my concealer and either my foundation in my eye. I'd rather have a creamy base in my eyelids than a powder one so the shadows can stick to something. The palette that I'm going to use today is the Miss Lynn from BH Cosmetic. I'm pretty sure that this isn't no longer available, but I really love this palette, especially the color selections that we have here. So I'm going to start with the purple one in the middle, this one. I'm going to start using my Crown Round crease brush because I want to be a little more precise where I apply this color in my lid. So I thought this will be a better choice. Now I'm gonna go with my Luxie 249 brush. I'm just gonna apply this eyeshadow in my outer corner, but then I'm gonna switch for a smaller brush to pack a little bit of more color. This is more like a guideline to let me know where I want to end the shadow. I'm gonna switch to my Vasanti Contour Eyeshadow in number 4 and I'm gonna keep using the same purple color that I have been using. I'm gonna start packing the brush and I'm going to be really precise where I want to have this shadow, or actually more darken the shadow in my lid. So first I start with my outer corner and I'm gonna start blending it with the first part of the shadow that I applied. I'm doing this in really small circles. I'm taking again from the pan and applying it exactly in the same place, and then in this small circle motion I'm moving it to my crease part. And now in a little more larger circles I'm going to the outer part of my eye and bringing it a little bit higher in my lid. I want to extend it through this area but not to the arch of my eyebrow. Now I'm going to use this champagne shade here. I'm going to use my SL Miss Glam eyeshadow brush N15. This one I got it in my last month from my Ipsy bag. I haven't used it yet. But first I'm going to wet it with my setting spray. And I'm going to go with the shadow that I already showed you, the champagne color one. And I'm going to pack it and I'm going to apply it exactly in my lid, so I can get as much pigment and vibrance from this color. And I'm applying it in tapping motions. I took a little bit more from the pan and I'm doing the same thing on top of it. Now that I have this one, I want to give a little more definition to the eye. So I'm gonna darken the eye look and I'm gonna go for the really dark purple shade that I have in my palette. And I'm gonna use first the same Crown Round crease brush because I want as well to be precise where I apply this color. I'm gonna place it in my outer corner and then I'm gonna go back again with another brush to blend it. Now to blend and erase any visible line or any harsh line that I have developed during the first application of the purple, really dark purple color, I'm gonna go with my Vasanti Contour Eyeshadow in number 4 and I'm gonna blend them together. First to erase this line that I have here, and now this harshness that I have between the two colors out here. Now for my inner corner, I'm gonna go with this bronzy shade or rose gold one. I'm gonna use another pencil brush. This is from the crown as well. And I'm gonna place it, I'm gonna start in my inner corner and I'm gonna drag it to the lightest shade that I have in my lid. I'm gonna do the same thing in my bottom. While I was applying this bronzy shade in my inner corner and the half of the lid that I was missing any color, I got the idea of placing on top of it the lightest shade that I have in my lid, just exactly in my inner corner. And I want to darken a little bit more the outer part of the eye, so I'm going back with the darkest purple shade here, and I'm gonna do the same thing. First I'm gonna pack it with my round crease brush from the crown, and then I'm gonna blend it with my other brush. I want to have a little bit of more of the purple color here, so I'm gonna use this round crease brush from the crown and take a little bit more from the pen and place it really careful, exactly where I want that purple shade to be seen. I'm gonna place this like, I don't know, terracotta light shade here in my lid, but on top of this colors near my brow bone, because I just want to be really subtle the color. Now for my bottom part, I'm gonna use this pencil brush. This is the one from the crown. I'm gonna go with the purple color. I'm gonna try to draw kind of a liner line. I'm gonna switch for a more precise brush. This is the Chisel Fluff from the crown. Same brush, I'm gonna go with the darkest purple shade, but this one I'm gonna drag it only to the half of my lid. I'm gonna use for my waterline my Milani Stay Put waterproof eyeliner in Stay with Slate 02. I'm going to use this crown brush that I got from a brush set trio that it was from my BoxyCharm a couple of months ago, and I'm gonna use the champagne shade here and I'm gonna dust it in my entire face because I want to keep that glowy kind of a look in my skin, but I want it in my entire skin. I don't want it just in my cheeks. I'm gonna use this Artiste Couture Diamond Glow Powder in Illuminati, and I'm gonna place it exactly in my cheek, in the high point of my cheek. I'm gonna curl my lashes and I'm gonna use the one that I have from the Vintage. I'm gonna use new lashes. This one is from a brand called Eyeshadow. They reached out to me and I got this ones. I think I'm gonna use Doll, the fourth one here. As always, I apply first the center, then I go with the sides. Now for mascara, I'm gonna use my always trusty L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise in Black is Black. First the bottom, and now the top. I'm gonna go for really nude lips. I don't know why, maybe I regret it, but for now I'm gonna use that. I'm going to apply a little more foundation in my lips. I'm gonna use my Stila Magnificent Metal in Citrine. And to finish the entire look, I'm gonna go with my Milani Make It Dewy Setting Spray. So sweets, this is the final look. I really hope you like it. It's not usual that I do purple in my eyes. I don't know why. Maybe as in dark purple, but not a really light purple. It's not that I don't like it. I think it's just that I think that I wouldn't look good with it in my eyes. So I really love the look and I hope you do as well. So see you in the next one. Remember to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and tap the bell button to be notified every time I upload a new video. And I hope that you have a great one. Bye.